question 11 tells us that a packet contains 1.5 kilograms of oats. So you have this packet here. It contains 1.5 kilograms of oats. And we want to split it up into 50-gram packs. And each pack will last 1 day. So now the question is, how many 50 grams can we get from this 1.5 kilograms? So the first step is 1.5 kilograms. How many grams are there? That's the question. So whenever you go from a kilogram to a gram, you multiply by 1000. So let me go here, and this is how you should be thinking. So I have 1.5. I add a few zeros here and a few zeros here. So this is always going on in my head. Now, because I'm multiplying by 1000, because I know 1 kilogram has 1000 grams, I have to multiply this number by 1000. And whenever you multiply a number by 1000, because I have 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Now careful with this, I have to move this decimal point to the right to make my number bigger 3 times, because I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, and 3. So this decimal point has moved up to there now. So let me just put that decimal point there. I can now rub out this decimal point. And again, and these zeros that I put here, I can rub those out. So what I have now is 1500. So remember, that's the units or the ones column. That's the tens, that's the hundreds, and this is the thousands column. Now, I don't need this decimal point now because there's nothing after it, so we can get rid of that to make it easier. So as before, 1, 2, 3. Think of this as 1000. So it's 1500. So I have 1500 grams. And I need to share it into packets of 50. So how many 50s are there in 1500? So let me write it as a fraction. So 1500 shared by 50. This is how I like to see it. Because they've got zeros at the end, I can cross them off. So what I've really got is 150 at the top as the numerator, shared by 5. So this is how I'm thinking now to make my calculation easier. So I can use the bus shelter method. So it's raining. 150 is getting wet. So I build a bus shelter. The 150 goes inside 1, 5, 0. And this 5 has to go outside. How many 5s are there in this 1? 0. So this 1 gets carried over. So this 5 becomes 15. How many 5s are there in 15? There's 3. How many 5s are there in 0 for the final column? 0. And because there's no remainder, we can stop there. So my answer is 30. So 150 shared by 5 is 30. So if I had 1.5 kilograms of oats and I had 50 grams each day, it would last me 30 days. So my answer would be 30 days.